Hello student, I welcome you my channel Maths by Avinash. Today we shall continue our chapter surface area and volume. So let's start our class. Today we will discuss cylinder. Cylinder. All we know that what is cylinder and what is the shape of cylinder. We have a rectangular sheet whose length is L and breadth is B. If these rectangular sheet we fold around its breadth, let me show you. This is our rectangular sheet. If we fold around its, this is its length and this is its breadth. If you fold around its breadth, then it becomes what? A cylinder which has two circular, one is upper circular base and second one is lower circular base. This is look like a cylinder. If we fold around its base, the space is formed in this. This is known as height of the cylinder. This is radius of the cylinder. My marker is also an example of cylinder. This look like a cylinder. This is two circular base. First one is upper one and second one is lower one. This is the example of cylinder. Our pen cylinders, gas cylinders, these are the many examples we see every day in day-to-day life. This is cylinder. Now, first of all, we have to calculate curved surface area. We are already familiar about curved surface area and volumes. First of all, we have to calculate their curved surface area. Curved surface area. How we calculate curved surface area? Curved surface area means what? This forms by a rectangular sheet. So curved surface area is equals to area of rectangular sheet. Area of rectangular sheet, or we already know that area of rectangle is L into B. We know that this L is formed in a circular. This forms in a circular. We know that the total length of a circle is known as circumference. So this is known as what? 2 pi r. In a place of length, we write what? 2 pi r. This breadth is act like a height of cylinder. Therefore, curved surface area of cylinder is what? 2 pi r h. Clear? How we derive the formula? Next one is total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area means what? This surface and this surface. We know that curved surface area of cylinder, we know that 2 pi RH. Clear? One is, this one is what? Base of lower circular. We know that area of circle is pi r square. This one is upper one, right here, pi r square. Therefore, our total area of cylinder is what? 2 pi RH, and this 1 pi r square, this pi r square becomes what? 2 pi r square. Take 2 pi r is common in all. It becomes what? H plus r. Therefore, our total surface area of cylinder is what? 2 pi r h. Clear? Next, volume. We know that any figure, any solid figure, if you multiply base area with height, it becomes what? it becomes what? Volume. For example, this base area is what? L into B. If you multiply it by height h, it becomes what? Volume. And volume, this figure in a form of volume becomes cuboid. So here base area is what? Pi r square. This is the base area pi r square right here. Pi r square. And height is our what? H. Therefore volume becomes pi r square h. Out hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means what? This is our bigger cylinder and this cylinder contain another cylinder. This is our small r and this distance becomes capital R. Capital radius represent the radius of bigger one and height of both cylinder is. Basic example of hollow cylinder is our any cylindrical box which contains some thickness. This is the example of hollow cylinder. Now, how we derive the formula of cylinder, hollow cylinder. So in a hollow cylinder, first we'll talk about curved surface area. Curved surface area is also represented by CSA, or this is also known as a lateral surface area. Both are same. We calculate what? Outer curved surface area plus inner surface area right here. Outer surface area, outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area. Outer one is represented by what? 2 pi capital RH, radius of bigger one, plus inner one is 2 pi small rh. Small r represent radius of inner one. Take 2 pi h common in all, it becomes what? Therefore, curved surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 pi h r plus r. Clear? Next we calculate total surface area. Total surface area. In total surface area, what we do? We know that curved surface area plus both base area. The curved surface area is already calculated. 2 pi h r plus r. Clear? Now, area of smaller one is pi small r square first of all, we talk about take the difference. Difference is what? Bigger minus smaller. Pi r, r is the radius of bigger circle and this one is smaller circle. I hope this one is clear to you. This is 2 pi h. Take pi is common in both. It becomes what? Capital R square minus r square. This is the total surface area of in a hollow cylinder. This is small radius r and this one is including its thickness capital R. I hope this one is clear to you. This is NCERT. This is question number 2 of NCERT of cylinder, chapter cylinder. Question is said, it is required to make a closed cylinder cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 2 and base diameter is 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. From a metal sheet. Clear? Then how many square meters? Then how many square meter of the sheet are required for same. This is the question. Question is said it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. We have to make a closed cylindrical tank by a metal sheet. This is a cylindrical tank. Clear? In which height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. And diameter of base is 140. This base is already given 140 centimeter. And height is given in meter. Now, how we calculate how many square meter of sheets are required to form? You have to calculate what? Total surface area. Here H is 1 meter, diameter is 140 centimeter, therefore radius is what? 140 by 2. This becomes 70 centimeter. Clear? Now, therefore total surface area we know that 2 pi r h plus r. Substitute all the values. 2 into 22 by 7. Our radius is 70. Height is 1 meter. This centimeter is changes into meter. 70 by 100. This becomes what? 0.7 meter. In a place of r we have to write what? 0.7. 1 plus 0.7. Clear? This cuts up to 0.1 times. This is 44 into 0.1 into 1.7. After you calculate, our final value is 4.78 meter square. Clear? These square meter of sheets are required to make this tank. I hope this one is clear to you. Our next question, this is question number 4. This is one of the important questions. Question is said the diameter of a ruler is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 revolution to move once over to level a playground. Here, find the area of the playground in meter square. This is the question. We have a road roller. All of you see the road roller. This is the road roller. Clear? Whose diameter is 84. Diameter is 84 centimeter. This is given. A length of, this is the road roller, and length is given 120 centimeter. Clear? And it revolutes 500 revolution. We have to calculate how much area it covered in a 500 revolution. If road roller is revolute, it means what? It revolute only the curved surface area, this curved surface area. Now solve this question. Diameter is 84 centimeter. Calculate the radius. 84 by 2. This becomes what? 42 centimeter. And length means height of the roller is 120 centimeter. Clear? Therefore, curved surface area is 2 pi RH. Clear? Substitute all the values. This cuts up to 6 times. This becomes 44 into 720. Value will be 31680 centimeter square. This is the area of road roller. It covers in a one revolution. Therefore, here you have to write what? Area covered by roller in one revolution. Is what? This area 31680 centimeter square. Therefore, road roller revolute up to what? 500 revolution. In 500 revolution, 500 into 31680. This area becomes 1584 and 4 times 0. This is centimeter. But in a question said you have to calculate the area in a meter square. Hence, area of the ground, this change into meter square, 1584 by 1000 into 1000, sorry 100 into 100. This cuts, therefore required area in meter square what? 158 meter square. I hope this one is clear to you. This is the one of the most important questions. Heating system in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe. There is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Clear? Radiating means what? Suppose this is a iron rod. If we heat iron rod at the bottom, this heat will be radiated to upper surface. Then we have to calculate what? Total. Clear? In a question, diameter is there 5 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be what? 5 by 2 centimeter. This is 2.5. by 100 we have to change in what? Meter. Clear? And height is already given, 28 meter. Therefore, total radiating surface, total radiating surface of the system is equals to what? Total surface area, total surface area of cylinder. We know that total area of cylinder is 2 pi r, r plus h. Substitute all the values. This becomes 22 by 7. Radius is our 0.025, and height is 28 meter. Clear? This becomes what? 44 into 0.025. This becomes 0.025 by 7. After we calculating, this becomes approximately 4.4 meter square. This is the amount total heat radiating on this radiating system. I hope this one is clear to you. Please watch the video properly and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.